I am here to announce Congress Party's decision with regard to tomorrow's voting in Rajya Sabha 4 seats, and we have had 2 rounds of deliberations. One was done yesterday and one was done today. In between, we were in close contact with our central leadership, and they had sought some information and had asked certain queries as well. So we, as a team of legislators, provided them all that, and finally what we have decided I am going to read out. Having taken into account our own sensitivities as a suffering state, as also a tested voice for diverse India and steadfast secular party, we keep all the differences with National Conference on back burner only to prove our commitment to our own ethos. It was during the elections in 2024 that we ignored all voices against for much desired unity to defeat BJP and free the people of Jammu and Kashmir from strangulating fear. In tune with our own political culture and moral uprightness, we choose not to be expedient. Rajya Sabha polls this time round have come as a challenge. We wish that NC keeps its flock together against all temptations and manipulations, for which we offer our support. It is this larger cause and our fight with BJP at national level that we ignore to be guided by the treatment we have meted out from National Conference as an ally.